I didn't even notice I had this little dude on the fucking mirror. Let's see if you make it home. Hey guys, so it's been a while since I actually uploaded a video on here, so bear with me. Just to give you guys a little bit of an update, I am trading Wraith in today, and right now it's gonna be my last ride with her. Right now I am in Indiana. I'm on my way back home. It's about a 5-hour drive right now. Just had to come pick something up for the time being. The car I'm actually getting will be revealed later on in the video, but I just wanted to show you a couple clips that I have been doing in the background to make a video for you guys, but ended up having to take everything off. I had a wrap planned out and everything. I started it, and now I have to, well, I already took everything off. Me and a buddy actually ended up taking the K&N Cold Air Intake, Catback exhaust, and the coilovers off the car, saving the coils and the intake for one of my friends that still has their Corolla. The only thing that I will be selling is the Remark Catback exhaust. If anyone is actually interested, just let me know. It's kind of hard that I have to get rid of the Corolla though. It's my first car that I have started messing with myself. The first car I bought, couldn't really do anything, so it was just A to B, that's it. This car I actually didn't think I would actually be doing anything with it. It's just crazy that I had this car for a year already.
Ayo, and it's crazy. Ayo, and it's crazy.
I actually set a goal for myself to actually grab this car 2 years ago, It was one of my attainable goals for one of my dream cars that I could get. So we're getting that today. Hey guys, so we just made it back to my house. Right now we're just grabbing all the stuff that I still want, and I'm leaving it at the house, and I'm gonna go pick up a buddy, and then I'm gonna be on the way to the dealership to hopefully leave with that. Hey, what's going on guys? It's currently about like 1:30 in the morning right now, so I'm pretty fucking tired. I just got off of work, so yeah, couldn't really do anything in the daytime. I've been wanting to do it, so this video is coming out a lot later than I wanted it to be, but this whole week I'm gonna be opening and closing every day, so I won't get any daytime shots until later. So this is what I'm gonna give you guys. So, as you saw earlier, I got rid of the Corolla and ended up getting this 2021 Subaru WRX Premium. Right now I'm about to do a windshield banner, but this is for a later video. I will explain that later, but yeah, I kind of did it. Just the basic 6-speed WRX. I didn't want to go for the STI because I wanted to be able to mess around with it. Unlike the STI, I will have to straight out the bat dump a couple $1,000 just to go faster, basically. And plus, this is my first manual, so, and a brand new platform, so I'm gonna be taking it easy and just focusing on cosmetics and learning the vehicle itself versus trying to automatically throw power into the vehicle and potentially detonating the vehicle. Last thing I honestly want to deal with is Subaru problems. I don't want to be, keep it stock as long as I can until I get the feeling like, hey, I want to go faster. But I did order a couple of components, very minor things. All I got is shift boot and a shift knob, and I am currently looking at a vanity plate for the front, since it did come with an aftermarket, I don't know, front plate relocation. This WRX actually came from Texas. I looked at where this came from. I don't remember how many owners it had, but it was like, I'm probably the second or third owner of this vehicle. When I picked it up, I only had 20,000 miles on it, versus the Corolla, it had almost 30,000. I was at 29,000. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I want to do the wrap that I showed you guys on the WRX. I'm gonna sit on it for a little bit. For now, I'm gonna just do subtle things, subtle decals, and start making a list and plan out what I want to do. But I will be doing a wall for my truck. That's why this is Chevy Avenue, basic as hell. And over there it says Toyota E210. Obviously that's for the Corolla. We're gonna be cleaning up the garage in the meantime so we can have a little bit more space to mess with. And if you guys want, show you the Hot Wheel collection. There might be some people that think it might be cool, but don't know, let me know. And also, I got only 2 things for sale. I'm keeping the K&N Cold Air Intake for a friend, as well as the BC Racing Coilovers. So those 2 no-go for the time being unless I'm told otherwise. But I do have a Remark Catback exhaust center exit dual tape. If you guys want it, let me know. And I also have, it's not in the garage with me, so I will show you guys later, but it's a set of brand new Odahan DS07s. They're black with the gold rib nuts, brand new, 18 by 9.5, 5 by 100 lug nut. And yeah, drove on them for, I don't know, 2 days, and it was just from home, work, and work back for 2 days in a row. Probably stopped at 1 gas station and of course Walmart to get groceries. Took them off right away, didn't feel safe about it, so barely used. About like, I don't know, I'm 10 minutes away from work, and it's no highway, it's just all stoplights. That's a good, like, I don't know, I'll say a good 30 miles on the wheels and tires on it. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will get you guys back on these updates, give you more car content. I need to build some confidence with that, because all I did was gaming and I didn't really need to show my face. This is the first time, so it's gonna take me a little bit. But hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys later.